What's going on, guys? I picked up this dehumidifier today and it collects water for a little bit and then it freezes over on the coils. Let me show you how you guys to get these not to freeze over the coils and everything. To take this top cover off where all the controls are, there it will be a screw right there and then one right there. Then there will be two in the very back and then two on the very bottom of this unit. And then there will be one screw right there and then two at the very, and then there will be a screw right there and a screw right there you got to take off. Then the whole back cover comes off and front cover. Now these coils need to be cleaned out, and that's what's causing the for them to freeze over. So you see how right here there's all this nasty buildup. We need to get this cleaned off, and then there's the inside of here needs to be cleaned out as best as you can without damaging anything. So in between here, this coil back here needs cleaned out, and then kind of see those coils. You see those coils in there, those need to be cleaned out too. If they're keeping too much dust, which you could tell, like all this dust right here, that's going to make all that build up of the where it freezes up, and it won't collect water and it will ice over, and that's how you get the ice over to be good. All right, so now we got everything put back together on the covers, and we're going to run this up, and it should not freeze over anymore since we clean all the coils off. You want to clean them, vacuum them, and then spray them with the air compressor to try to get all the debur off of it.